Your business needs video. No matter which industry, no matter which profession, your business needs video because your customers are humans. And humans like video. Do you like the idea of using video in your marketing, but you have no idea what you're going to say? How do I do this? I don't understand. There's so many words, so much technology. I don't understand. All right, I'm in front of the camera. I'm ready to go. I'm sitting down. I'm looking at the lens and well, what do I say? Where do I film? Where do I go? Where do I look like? How do I set up lights? I don't understand what I'm doing. Other businesses, people and celebrities are doing video, but I just feel left out and I feel so overwhelmed about doing it myself. Bah, I have no time for video. I'm a busy entrepreneur with my own goals and skills, but I do like the idea of helping people, providing value, and making money. Do you have so many questions rattling around your head you don't even know where to begin with video? Well, we might have the answers for you. Well, we're running a Video Made Easy workshop, so check out the link in the description below, and maybe I'll see you there.